Previously on TWiT.
I'm going to go look down underneath me. What are you doing down there, Padre?
Oh, just doing my thing overseas in the land of, I guess, Karoma.
What time is it in the land of Karoma?
It is now 1:06 a.m. So it's, it's just about time for me to start the day.
Hands-on Android.
I'm going to show you some advanced tips and tricks with Assistant, things that you may not have heard of, hidden deeper, and in conjunction with some other apps, which I'll talk about. You can do a whole lot more with Assistant.
Hands-on photography.
This week on Hands-on Photography, we're going to do something just a little bit different while we do this shelter-in-place photography project.
iOS Today.
There are a lot of people studying at home now.
And a lot of parents sort of having to fill in the gaps. I think it might be good to do an episode where we talk about how to help them and how to teach them and maybe to sort of refresh yourself on some of those concepts.
This week in Google.
This lickable screen can recreate almost any taste or flavor without eating food. Now, see, I need that. They've invented what is being described as a taste display.
I could get this device that would simulate the flavor of my bean and cheese burrito.
TWiT. Technology for your eyes and ear holes.